I've been working on a few companion Android apps to go along with the ADB website lately. And the first one that I wanted to show you is a way for you to back up and restore your SMS messages. This can be used to back up your text for safekeeping, but you can also use the backup file that it creates to restore those texts to another device, effectively moving and migrating all of your text messages to a new smartphone or tablet. The project is currently called ADB Buzz. That's 80BEE space Buzz. SMS Backup plus Restore. And here's how it works. Once the app has been installed, we open it up and then tap on the big backup button that you see here. It's going to ask where you want this backup to be saved and what you want the file name to be called. You'll be able to follow along with the progress from the notification that it creates. And this file can be moved to another device if you wanted to, or you could upload it to a cloud storage service like Google Drive for safekeeping. This is your data, and its contents are not saved within the application at all. I'm not even collecting any usage data in the ADB Buzz application. When you're ready to restore these text messages, we can do that with the ADB Buzz app too. We just make sure that the file is accessible from the device, so you can load it from the internal storage of the phone itself, or you can use the built-in file browser to navigate through your cloud storage services. And after that file has been selected, just like before, you can pull down the notification shade to watch its progress, because it's these notifications that demonstrate the use of the app's foreground service data sync usage. And that's all there is to it. You can check your history from this tab here. We've got some basic settings available in version 1.0 of the ADB Buzz application. I've even included a guide within the Help tab for those who may not remember all of the steps involved. I'm currently in the process of submitting this app to the Google Play Store, and I needed a demonstration video in order to do that. So when it's available, I'll be sure to include the link in the video description below, as well as the pinned comment, so that it's easy for everyone to find. And as always, feel free to let me know if you have any questions along the way.